Today we're making a smashed roasted potato with a herby, gremolata, briny, salty, savoury topping with some beautiful cheese we're going to crumble on top. It's going to be sick. There you are!
Love it. Love it.
Grab yourself 8 to 10 golden potatoes, give them a wash, pop them in a large pot with some water and some salt, as you would as if you were cooking pasta. Finely slice 2 sticks of celery. We're also going to reserve the leaves and we're going to add them to the salad. Next, finely slice 1 spring onion. Add it to your mortar and pestle. Slice your lemon in half. Go in with most of the juice. Grab a 1/4 cup of kalamata olives, give them a rough chop, and add them into the mix. Next, a tablespoon of drained capers. Blend this into a rough, chunky paste. Add half your parsley, so about 1/3 of a cup. Followed by another 1/3 of a cup. Smashing it all together as you go. Add 1 tablespoon of good extra virgin olive oil and the remainder of half your lemon. Now you should have a relatively smooth, chunky paste. Now remove your celery leaves from the stalk. Give them a rough chop. Add a 1/4 teaspoon of chilli flakes to the gremolata. Add your sliced celery and those chopped celery leaves to a mixing bowl before washing a handful of cavolo nero. Once this is chopped, it makes about a cup. Remove the stalk by holding the stalk away from you and then pulling down almost like a zip from stalk to the tip of the leaf. Finally chop the cavolo nero and add it to the mixing bowl with the celery. Give everything in the mixing bowl a little shake. Check on your potatoes. Once they're easily pierced with a fork but not falling apart, drain and then place on a tea towel before giving them a squash. Don't worry if you squash them too much, it's completely fine. Next, heat up a cast iron skillet with some cooking olive oil. Wait for it to heat up before adding a few of your potatoes. Bash them up in the pan. This is great. We want to get some of that skin frizzling around the edge. It's going to crisp up and it's going to be fabulous. So give everything a mix. Before letting them sit for a few minutes, add about a tablespoon of butter in little dollops around the pan. Check for crispiness. And once they're beautiful golden, like this, give them a flip. Add the potatoes directly to a preheated oven set to 200 fan forced. Next, add the remainder of half your lemon juice to the salad. This is just going to tie everything together. Add a dash of olive oil and about a teaspoon of the Gremolata. Mix well to combine. After 10 minutes, check on your potatoes and then turn it down to 150 degrees Celsius for a further 5 minutes. Next, plate up the greens onto the plate. Remove those glorious golden potatoes. Allow them to cool slightly before adding them to the top of the cavolo nero. Next, dollop on the Gremolata. Hit it with a little bit of extra virgin olive oil. Crumble a small handful of feta straight onto the potatoes, followed by some young and soft parsley leaves. A little bit of lemon squeezed on top, followed by a pinch of flaky salt. And there you have it.